I'm going to call the Trans Lifeline here. I can't get anybody on it. I can't call people. Their lines are all filled. So I can't get a hold of anybody. And now I'm feeling distressed and try to hold of them. And trying to feel distressed and call Trans Lifeline here. But unfortunately, I cannot get a hold of anybody here on the Trans Lifeline. See this? This is Canadian. I'm going to call the US number here. See, it's trying to get people. I'm not going to lock on this one. I do on the Canadian one sometime. And listen to OGM greetings here.
Thank you for calling Trans Lifeline. Gracias por llamar a Trans Lifeline. For English, press 1. Para español, we'll get you connected to an operator as soon as we can. Your call may be monitored or recorded for quality assurance, but will never be shared outside the hotline.
Sure, not
You can find more information about our hotline, including our policies, at translifeline.org/hotline.
Hear the music.
We're sorry, we are currently experiencing a high call volume.
This is what I've been getting. Plug lines, can't call, plug lines, and all you're getting this is what happens every freaking time. I mean, I need support now here. I can't get it. I blame Doug Ford for this too. Now let's go to Wormline in Toronto. Are you gonna get support there? Face it, your busy single dot support the busy single. See this? I'm gonna call the Wormline in Toronto. What? The line gonna be busy.
Let Bell notify you if
The line becomes free in the next 30 minutes.
Press star. The last number that you called is busy. You will be notified for ringing when the line is free. Please hang up now.
And that the plug. You can't get through. And if you do get through one, nobody's there to answer a call. That's stupid. It's ridiculous. That's Doug Ford again. So many people out there crying out for services. It plugs up me. I want to. I can't even get it because other people plugs the line out there. You asshole plugging the phone line, jamming the line. I can't get service. That is awful, horrible. Just stop plugging lines. Somebody out here could be having a fit here because they can't get through.